The beef jerky weighing and manual bottle packing machine is designed for accurate, hygienic, and flexible packaging of dried meat products. Equipped with a high-precision weighing system, it ensures consistent portion control, reduces product giveaway, and improves production efficiency. The gentle feeding mechanism prevents jerky sticking, clumping, or breakage, preserving product shape and quality. With manual bottle placement, the machine supports various bottle sizes, shapes and materials, making it ideal for small to medium-scale production, trial runs, and customized packaging. The intuitive touch screen allows easy parameter setting, fast changeovers and recipe storage. Made from food-grade stainless steel, the system meets hygiene standards and enables easy cleaning and maintenance. Its compact structure saves workspace while delivering stable operation and reliable performance, suitable for beef jerky, dried meat strips, pet treats, and protein snacks. This cost-effective solution helps manufacturers achieve accurate weighing, consistent filling, and professional packaging results.